Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to take a look at Simplii Financial, which, by the way, it is backed up. Well, it's part of CIBC, so that way you know it's legit and everything's good. It's kind of like Tangerine that works with Scotiabank, which I have a different video for that as well, which you can get $50, by the way, by using my referral or just use your friend's referral. The same thing goes with these guys. If you open up an account with them for a checking account, then using my referral code, you guys can get $50. It's that easy. All you guys have to do is deposit $100 there, and after some time, you're gonna get those $50. I think it's 30 days, and then you get the $50. Besides that, they have promos, so you guys can earn $300, and then the $50 gift card. But then you have to do a few things. For the referral code, all you guys have to do is just deposit those $100, at least $100 in your bank account. Anyways, let's just open this up. So right now, let's just click on it. So once again, I wouldn't do a video unless it was something that's secure and I searched it up. And you guys should too if you have any doubts. But again, they are part of CIBC. So we're going to go on and just click on join. So it's on the top right hand side. Tap on join. Once you tap on join, this is what you want. The no fee checking. Because that's what you guys have to open up. So that way you guys get those $50 from my referral code. And again, there's no real steps to do this. All you guys have to open up the account, put $100 in there, at least $100 in there, and you're good to go. Anyways, we're just gonna apply now. And then it's gonna ask us this. Are you a banking client? Well, we're not. We're brand new. So we're gonna click on no. Now it depends what type of promotion you're following. Make sure to click on the correct one for you, okay? So you guys can go into this high interest savings account or just select this one. You can do both, by the way. They're both free and they will both work with the $50 that you guys get. So that said, I would do this other one just because there's more promos that run with this, okay? So if you guys are going after those $300 and you guys want to do more stuff in here, definitely go for this, the checking account plus the savings account and not just the checking account. But go with whatever is comfortable for you. It makes no big difference, whichever you choose. But regardless, we're just gonna tap on next. Then it's gonna ask you to fill up this stuff. And once again, this is all online, by the way. So it's very easy and you're gonna get accepted right away. So we're gonna go on and put our first name, last name. Then it's gonna ask you for your preferred name. That's optional if you guys have a preferred name. Birthday. So once you click on birthday, you're gonna see this calendar. Just choose the right date. Then putting your email address. It's very important. Don't make mistakes on your email address. That's gonna be your main thing. Then your phone number, okay? If it's a landline, you guys can put a check mark here if anybody has a landline still. And then if you guys keep scrolling down, you're gonna see this next button. So just tap on next once you have all that filled out. All right, so next up, it's gonna tell you this. So it does tell you this should not take more than 10 minutes. That means you can't take more than 10 minutes. So get your driver's license or passport. You just need that, okay? You're gonna need your phone. And that's because that's the way you complete this verification. So have your phone with you. Maybe you're filling this out on your phone already, so you're good to go. And your social insurance number, okay? So once you have all that ready, then and only then click on next so the timer starts. All right, so next up we have to select our living situation. So you're gonna see right here what it is. So maybe you guys are renters. From here, just start typing up your address and it's gonna automatically put it in for you. So let's say you guys are right here in Winnipeg. You guys can just select. Then it's gonna fill out your town, your province, your postal code. If it's wrong, just make sure to correct it. Then right here, you guys can put how many years and months you've been living there. Once you've done that, click on next. All right, then next up, it's gonna ask us our employment status. Again, we're gonna see a drop down from here. So whatever makes sense to you guys. So if you're self-employed, there you go. You're gonna have to put your industry. Then you guys can just type it up, whatever that is. Once you've done that, then go ahead and select next. All right, so next up, it's gonna ask you this. Are you a resident of Canada? Most of you are gonna put yes. Are you a US person for tax purposes? Well, this depends who's watching this, but we're gonna put no for now. Then this says, do you pay taxes in other countries? So again, this depends on you. For me, no, it's only Canada at this point in time. Then get ready, your social insurance number, just put it here, it's pretty short. Then if you scroll down, you're gonna see next. So on the bottom, just tap on next. All right, so next time it's gonna ask you why. Why are you using this account? So right here, we can put direct deposit of payroll or pension income. If you tap here, you can put car, emergency fund, home, vacation, anything you guys want. It doesn't really matter. So we're going to put this. Then you just have to confirm. So I confirm that opening this account for my own personal use and not for the use or benefit of a third party. So it means it's for you and you're not, opening this up for somebody else. Then go into next. All right, next up, you guys can see all the contracts right here. So your terms and conditions, you could download these PDFs if you want to. Go for it. Read it all up. All you guys have to do is scroll down, say that you have read. And right here, credit check. Well, they have to check your credit. So you have to click here so they can check your credit. Then from here, digital signature. So you can type it or draw it. It's really up to you. So it's, again, up to you. If you're using your phone, this will be very easy to draw, so I would do that. But you guys can always select type and then just type it up. It's the exact same thing. And then just press on submit once you've done that. Okay, once you've done that, it's going to say hang in there. They're just processing all your information. So just wait. All right, so from there, you should see this. Verification successful. Just tap on next. All right, this part's very important. Create a password. So remember, your password has to be a minimum of 8 characters. You have to use an uppercase, a lowercase, and a number or symbol. That means or symbol, so it could just be numbers. Then re-enter that password down here below. And only then, once you guys see that you have a check mark on each one of these, and you click on next, then you're gonna be able to click on next and have no issues. All right, next up, it's gonna ask you for your contact preference. So click here and then just send code. So technically you're only gonna see one phone number there because we just put one phone number. Click on send code and you're gonna get a text message right away. All right, so the text code that I got is this. You guys could select it to get a phone call as well, but this is how the code would look like. And again, it's a text message and then just click on next. Okay, so from here, you should see that you are approved. Your very first thing was your checking account. So if you only did the checking account, you should be technically basically done with this. But if you did what I did with the high interest thing, we're just gonna go on and just keep going with that. So that said, on the bottom right hand side of your screen, you should see next. So just tap on next. So again, it's gonna ask us if it's the intended use. You guys want emergency fund or anything else? I'm gonna do emergency fund just for savings. And again, confirm that this is for you. It's not for third party. Go ahead and tap on next. All right, so it's the same deal. You're gonna see this. You have to click that you have read. They can do a credit check on you and press on submit on the bottom right hand side. Then once again, they're just gonna take a look at your application. Obviously, this is much faster because you already got approved on your first one. This is just for your savings account if you guys did the savings account thing. All right, so then you should see that you're approved for both accounts. You're all good to go. You should have got an email as well, which I'm gonna show you how that looks like in just a second. But yeah, you guys can go all the way down. You're gonna see sign in. So right now, finally, you can sign in. But first, take a look at that email. All right, so this is how briefly the email will look like. And it can tell you, well, it's gonna tell you that you guys can sign in just by pressing on this email. So that's one way. Then later on, you guys can just, after a few days, you will get a card. Then you can just sign in using that card. And the email address that you guys are gonna get that from is this, servicingsimpli.com. So that way, it's legit. And, so it doesn't fall into your junk mail, make sure to add this into your addresses. Anyways, once you tap on sign in, it's just gonna automatically fill your information about your account number. Then just put in your password. Then tap on sign in. But again, your username, which is not your username, would just be right now your account number, then the password that you created. From there, it's just gonna verify your identity, which just means they're gonna send you a text message. So just tap on next. And what I mean by next is send code. So tap on send code. All right, so from here, you're pretty much all done. What you guys should do is transfer some money here. So there's a few ways to do that. You guys can see on the left-hand side, there's gonna be a transfer between accounts. You could do it that way. You can also do an e-transfer. So that's another way. Bank to bank transfer. So many ways that you guys can just put in money here. And it would be the same way that you would transfer money to any bank account out there. Now, something else that you guys can do, by the way, is refer a friend. So if your friends have a bank account with these guys, just make sure to tell them, hey, go into your account, tap on refer a friend, let me click on your link. Or else just use my link and get those $50 for free. Again, just transfer $50, what am I saying? $100 into your bank account. So that way you guys can get those $50 for free. Besides that, they have other things that you guys can do to earn even more money and that gift card and all that stuff. So go for it. But as far as this video goes, we are officially all done. Congrats for your new account. So as you can see, it's exactly that easy to do this. Extremely easy. But as of now, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, guys, can write down in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.